កានឹងសម្រាប់ណាគេ
អូផ្កាហ្នឹងសម្រាប់អាប៉ៅទិញផ្កាឲ្យគ្រីវ៉ាន់ឲ្យអាប៉ៅ birthday គេ
ហើយក្រៅពីផ្កាមកមានធ្វើអីទៀត
អូម៉ាក់អាំងឆ្អឹងជនីជ្រូកហើយម៉ាក់ជៀនអេក្រូហើយម៉ាក់ដុតខេកហើយច្រើនទិញអីមកទៀតចំណែនគេទិញខេកមកទៀតអូខេ
How's the cake coming along for you?
I don't know, ask Courtney.
Courtney, how's the
Apparently she knows what's going on.
You just observing?
Yes, I'm very confused. But we'll see how it turns out. Janan, we should high expectations here.
Why?
Ooh, who was that? It's Grandma.
ចោលប្រក់នេះស្អាតចំណែន
And now we gotta frost all of it.
So just like wing it.
Winging it.
លាបទៅលើមកណា
She says, just do the dog.
Lucky. Lucky.
Imagine if you went.
I sincerely
នេះទ្រូងមិនឲ្យស៊ីតិច
because I feel like
Good lucky
they just won't, because if they didn't do it in the persona one, the
You eat.
choreography for Blood, Sweat, and Tears is hard, and it's not a party song either. It's like an actual song where like there has to be choreography, or it's just not for the parts. It's just not
វាអត់ចង់ហ៊ាននេះឲ្យវាខ្លាចត្រូវដៃ
It might be your remix. What if they
Good boy lucky good boy នេះជូតអាហ្នឹងហី
do with that whole thing?
មានធ្វើអីទៀតហ្នឹង
បាក់ជៀនអេក្រូ2កញ្ចប់ birthday គ្រីវ៉ាន់
ហើយមកមានធ្វើសាច់
ជ្រូកចំណែនទិញកាភ្លៅជ្រូកឲ្យអាំងហើយឆ្អឹងជនីជ្រូក
អាំងជា
ឆ្អឹងជនីអាំងបាទសាច់នេះបានជៀននេះមួយជាប់ខ្លាញ់
ហើយថ្ងៃ birthday ជន់ចំថ្ងៃអីគេ
ថ្ងៃ birthday ចំថ្ងៃគេសែនចិនចូលឆ្នាំចិនណាគេ
What are you making to eat, Tom?
I made eggs with pink salt, sunny side up.
Where's the rice?
The rice is in the rice cooker that I can't eat. I can't eat these either, unfortunately.
Want to take a bite?
No.
How many?
But yeah, I talked to this guy at the breakfast place, and the lady was asking me, "Oh, you're on like an all meat diet?" And then I told her I was on the keto diet. And then the guy in front of me, when he was leaving, he goes, "Hey, I just heard your conversation. I was doing the no carb diet, no sugar diet, and I lost 60 pounds." Blah blah blah. I'm like, "Oh, good for you." And then like we were talking about it for 5 minutes.
Oh my god.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wait, this is technically in Chinese.
Happy birthday to you. All right, now we gotta sing Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you.
Everybody.
Happy New Year to you. Oh yeah, right. To the world. Happy New Year to you.
Yay, Lucky! Good job, buddy.
Okay
You have another one too.
New Year เป้า New Year
Let's get lit! Yeah!
All right. You have to do one shot for each year of your age. You have to do a shot for each.
I
for
have
how
a
old
business
you're.
appointment tomorrow morning. I can't do
Well, that's tomorrow morning.
No.
That's not now.
Just drink Pedialyte before you go to sleep.
Okay,
that's gross.
That's how you do it.
Ming, Ming,
you don't get
Ming,
far off of
Ming,
That is a lie.
Ming.
She doesn't.
Present.
Doesn't mean everyone else does.
Okay, bye,
Alright, 2 and 7.3 billion people.
I've never seen anyone give a present. I've never seen that before though.
What did you wish for?
I wish for. That's personal. Well, I wish for a lot of things.
Yeah.
Since
First time I got a promotion.
my birthday
Yeah.
is also Chinese New Year. It's Zodiac Wrap, which is also my year.
Yeah.
So yeah, I wish for a lot of things. And they'll happen this year.
Only the best.
Why are we buying alcohol?
Okay,
Ask Janan.
bạn. Tao nhắm đi nhắm mà nó không
One
sần, okay?
celebration. This is
Who made egg rolls?
I did.
Did you?
No. Leon, I want to eat this so bad.
I want mama. I
ahead.
want, mama, I want that one.
I'm gonna eat every eat. You eat one first.
He's not gonna eat one.
I know.
Peace.
Yummy.
Get her one left.
Just randomly.
Về ăn hiền lục bé.
So what are you opening first?
I'm opening.
The one in front.
What is this? I don't even know.
Minnesota.
wine.
Jewish wine.
Oh
Jewish
God, the
wine.
juice.
Wow.
Nick is here.
Very
Grape,
sweet.
it says.
Oh God,
It's very sweet.
the freaking juice.
It's more tall.
What's wrong with Jewish
Is
people?
it fruity?
Yes. That's why I got it for you. It's not bitter and dry.
Nên ít.
Not right now.
Man, I think you were a big Chianti person.
Smelly but
It's the blood of Jesus.
Happy birthday!
It's the blood of Hitler.
Wait. Toast.
What?
Ding!
All right.
When Bian gets the whole bottle.
Yeah, wow, sao?
See?
Nhâm nhâm.
yeah,
Not bad, huh?
Tastes
like grape.
Con
See?
nhâm nhâm ấy kìa.
Why does Manchester look like Auschwitz?
Molly, what's today?
Yeah. New Year.
New
Today
Year?
is literally the first day of the new year.
Nice. What New Year?
Chinese New Year.
Oh, okay. I thought it was.
Okay, it's Chinese New Year. Actually celebrated in entire Asia,
Okay.
you know. A lot of countries.
Can I eat cheating today?
Yummy, yummy. It's a year of the mouse.
Do you get to
Rat.
wish for anything? or-
Nick, come sit over here. Don't go sit by
Yeah, you
yourself.
wish for a better year, making more money, you know,
Yeah.
wealth.
Mày nhiên nào bao cả đi.
Money, money, come to my home.
Like any other New Year?
Yep.
Lên đi ăn đi.
Did you sign up for a gym also, like every
Nope.
other white people?
Nope, that's not in my list.
What's the typical thing you do on Chinese New Year?
Watching TV,
Yeah.
relax,
Uh-huh.
spend time with your family, talking with everyone, catch up with people.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically.
That's it.
I don't want
Nhắm mày.
Wait, are you actually cheating today?
Yeah.
What did they do in the capital?
Should I do it?
Does everyone like gather
Am I gonna
in
be like
Shanghai or
her?
something?
Shouldn't be her.
How many already? Yeah.
All the imperial whatever it is.
Ordinarily, yes, but this year is a bit different because of virus. So now everyone is just focusing on staying home and don't go out at all.
So everyone's dying in China because of the
Why are we talking about this right now? We're supposed to be celebrating.
We're celebrating. I'm just joking. Everyone's happy and healthy,
Celebrating death.
celebrating at home, right?
Yep.
Courtney, she just called you fat.
She just called you double layer.
Damn.
What time?
4:40. For what? What's your phone?
Grandma, ooh.
Careful. I think
It's
my
fun
I have low
fatty.
tire pressure.
Eat fun fatty. Thanks,
You're
Grandma.
taking my car.
Thank you.
Courtney, we can't take your car. He has to drive his.
I'm gonna go all the way out and be that bad, you know? Like, no. It's like, am I just gonna have a small bowl of
How does it
pasta or am I
taste
gonna
like?
eat like a pound and a half of pasta?
Okay.
Nè nó nhâm cake. Đây. cake cut hơi à. You eat.
Which one are you opening, Funny?
The pink one. It is sparkling red
Yeah,
grape.
I'm sorry. I'll let you go. I'm sorry. He's mad.
I have a. Do you need a knife to open them?
Courtney, good job. See, now we know Courtney doesn't party.
I don't. Because you can see all my roommates are partying right now and I'm home.
Come back, we just mix it.
So what are you guys playing on Chinese New Year?
Matcha! Matcha!
Mahjong. This is what we call mahjong. Oh, do you know a funny fact that there's a championship for mahjong? Actually, American people win the championship a couple of years.
Not a Chinese person.
Not a Chinese person. I'm being serious. It's really.
Molly, I say you
amazes me
enter.
too.
You should enter. Enter! Making.
It's like one cinnamon roll, two cinnamon rolls. This is 7.
Yes. There you go. And how about this?
This is 2.
Yeah.
This is 5.
And this
That's 6, 6, 6, 6. R sounds 2. Don't ER sounds 2. This is 8.
That's 4.
Oh shit.
I thought your Chinese were really good. Come on.
Hey, it's back.
They actually do like the hand pulled noodle right in front of your eye, and then put it into the spicy pot.
What's a hampo noodle?
It's like you
Hand
use your
pulled.
hand.
Hand pulled noodle.
Right in front of you. Is my English that bad?
Huh?
Is my English that bad?
No, stay checked out. No, you just take it out.
So it's hand pull. It's made by hand.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I heard hampo.
No,
Yeah.
hand pulled noodle.
Go. Heads up, Molly.
Ngon là cô cái đấy, đã là quanh snang này.
Mom, did it.
Đã không? Trong chị đã không?
Oh, it burns. Oh shit. You're disgusting.
Outside.
Lên,
Outside.
lên Lucky.
Outside.
Mà ra đây
Look,
đi tập lại
skinny
không thích mở.
You're disgusting.
Skinny Tom.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you watching over there, man?
Bok choy. Bye side. Sorry, I only speak Korean. This is really white wine.
Lime water.
Shout out to Dean.
What are you really making?
A drink.
It's white vocal. Alright.
Oh, yeah?
Ice.
That's it?
Lime.
Mom, I just did that. Mom, eh? Mom.
It looks like water, but doesn't taste like it.
It's like drugs. Dude, that's always the thing that I'm scared of. But, like, I could care less about the other stuff if it's eaten all. It's all about the side. If I have side, I don't care about anything else. Just give me the side and I'm good.
Everybody in my class owns like 5 of them right now. 5 times 18. Damn!
I thought you pharmacy people were supposed to be smart.
Huh?
Why are you guys buying $18 posters? Because you can go buy like a 100 pack for like $2.
We might as well just catch a couple bugs and put it like that.
No.
They do that already.
Yeah, we do that.
They're like dragonflies.
No, but that's what I'm saying. We could
Yeah,
Sell for like 20 bucks.
I ain't gonna lie, when I was younger, I used to always
We have hot
those
pot
they're so
for
cool.
Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. I'm just come back from work. I'm hungry. You're done? Mà miền ơi មានទ្រូង
អូយអ៊ីដែរ
ទ្រូងមកទ្រូងមកណា ចាប់មិនចង់ជាប់នេះដាក់យូរណាស់
Hi. What? I'm just saying hi. Can't be friendly.
Be fluffy.
I'm just saying hi.
Texas? How could I be from Texas?